Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open XTB Trading Account. Now as you can see, I have both a demo account right here. I also have a real account that I'm logged into. What you do is you just go here to xtb.com. If you want a demo account, click here on try a demo. If you want a real account, click on create account right here at the top right. And then this one is for live account. So you enter your email address, you choose your country of residence, make sure you are choosing a country that actually allows XTB. Okay, so in this case I'll choose Germany. Agree to these terms, make sure you toggle these on, and then click on next step. Now what I want you to do is I want you to go to XTB German. That's fine, we're getting redirected. I'll change my language to English, and we continue with the same thing. You enter your email, your password. Just go ahead and agree to the terms and then click on Open Trading Account. And as you can see, your application is being processed, and then you can just go to the trading platform. Really that easy. And there you go. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.